Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Squarespace navigation is getting a little too crowded, adding a drop-down menu is the perfect way to keep things clean and organized. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to build and customize folder menus in Squarespace 7.1. Let's get right to it. First, head over to your Pages panel. Under the main navigation section, click the plus sign and select Folder from the drop-down menu. Give your new folder a clear navigation title, like Services or Portfolio. One quick pro tip here, even though this folder isn't a real page, you should still give it a custom URL slug in its settings, like /all-services, just to keep your site structure clean. Now, simply drag and drop your existing pages directly underneath that new folder icon to nest them inside. You can click and drag to reorder them however you like, and they'll immediately show up as a drop-down on your live site. If you want to link directly to specific blog or shop categories rather than a whole page, click the plus sign inside your new folder and select Link. Search for your specific blog or shop collection, and Squarespace will actually let you pick a specific category to link to right from their built-in options. Finally, let's finish that thought on anchor links. If you have one long page and want your drop-down menu to jump to specific sections, it's actually super easy. Click the plus sign in your folder and choose Link. In the web address field, type your main page slug, a hashtag, and then your section's custom anchor ID, so it'll look something like /services/branding. Save that link and your menu will jump visitors exactly where they need to go. And that's it. Your site navigation is officially organized and easy to use. If this quick guide helped you clean up your website today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. See you in the next one.